Oh. Probably like the glass top. Oh, if I see it, I'll take them off.
Oh, look at you, friend.
Friendly?
Yes, he's friendly. He only get nervous with the big dogs.
Okay.
He gets nervous, but he's very
He
friendly.
loves all dogs.
Yeah, he does. Yeah, yeah. Is that a boy?
A little boy.
Yeah. Oh,
He's beautiful.
Oh, he's very
Little
beautiful.
boy.
This is a boy too.
Oh.
Yeah, he's very beautiful.
You
He
look
looks
like
like
you belong to the same family.
yeah. It's a Shih Tzu. This is a Shih Tzu. What is it? Yeah, mixed with Cocker Spaniel.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's what I see here. Oh, is that a pretty
Yeah.
combination?
Yeah, his mom is bigger than him, and his dad is shorter than him. Oh, his dad is about that tiny, maybe tinier,
Okay.
Yeah,
What a beautiful combination.
yeah.
He a poodle.
Oh, really?
Poodle.
Oh, okay, beautiful. It's beautiful. Yeah. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. How are you? Oh, you're friendly. You're loving. He feels like a sheep. He's so cute. He's so cute. He's so cute. My daughter, when she was a baby, she'll call them the sheep dogs. The sheep dogs.
Well, they look like a sheep. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Oh.
My puppies. Puppies.
Oh. Oh, thank you.
I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. So now what did they got here, Oreo? Okay, Leon. So we went from beginning to end, Oreo, and we didn't see too much, right? We found some stuff for us though, right, Oreo? Yeah. And it's about noon past 12 maybe, right, Oreo? Right, baby boy? My baby boy. My baby Oreo boy. Come on. Go, baby. Go, baby. Oh, this is like almost like people are driving away now. They're not coming in like they were coming before. Right, Oreo? Now we got this. Now we could get the cat here now. You could put the cat here now, Oreo. Right, baby? Yes, my baby. Ah. Get you this one. And this one goes over here. Put this over here, okay, baby? So I need to be... this. My baby boy. 20. I haven't checked the water on our car, baby. Let's check it out. Yes? Come on. Oh, nothing over there. You just want to check over here, Oreo. I want to check if the liquids in the car. We check everything in the car, Oreo. Whoa, everything is perfect. Maybe not so perfect, but for the most part of it. Come on, baby. Come with Dada. I love you. My baby boy. My baby, stay by Dada. Come on, baby. Come, baby. Stay by Dada. Stay by Dada. Okay. Come on, baby. Oh, this one away. Come on, my baby boy.